In this video, I will tell you how to get the proof of payment from the Nedbank application. So I'm going to show you two methods. First is using the Nedbank Money app. For that, the process is very simple. Just follow these easy steps that I have written down. First one is login with your Nedbank ID, app PIN or Face ID, tap Transact, select the pay. Scroll to your recent payments, choose the relevant transaction, tap Share Payment, Proof of Payment, select your preferred sharing method that could be email or SMS, enter the necessary details. So the next method is using the Nedbank online banking. For that, the process is very simple. Just go and follow these steps. Log into your Nedbank ID or using the Nedbank ID or via QR code. Click Pay. Navigate to the once-off payments or recipient payments tab. Depending on the transaction type, select the desired transaction. Click Share Proof of Payment. Choose your preferred sharing method, enter the required details, and then click the send button. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.